My name is Pablo Porcelana. I have been working SKF for 15 years. My position now is SKF Production System Reliability Champion. So working for all the SKF factories in global level, supporting the maintenance excellence deployment in the factories.
My name is Joachim Ruob. I'm based in Germany. I work now 37 years for SKF. I'm responsible for all CMMS globally and also business transformation maintenance. So when it comes for SKF, maybe let me say we are the biggest company to produce bearings in the world.
We of course had several challenges. The first one is that the factories has been using the other CMMS for many years. So that requires a lot of change management. So we have more than 45 factories using the other CMMS. And I think that the change management was a challenge for us because we need to change that. And the other challenge was to integrate everything in one place. And also I think one of the biggest goals that we had, how we can make the life easier for the maintenance technicians.
We see a big challenge when we go with eMaint was that we have now the possibility to create standards around the world. So before we have 45 different kind of installations in the factory, so on a server base. So this was, every factory has its own CMMS software. And there we see now the solution that we can standardize work around the world. For example, we create failure codes. It's now standardized failure codes around the world. Everybody has to use the same failure codes. Why we have done this? So that we can make a statistic. So in which company or which factory is using the most, I don't know, what is the critical points on the assets. Another point was what we have created standard for naming convention. When it comes for what we have channel as an area where we produce bearings. First of all, we have created a golden master template. In this golden master templates, we have integrate all the standards, everything from the master data, what is needed there. And so that means when we go now another factory, roll out a second or third or 30th factory, they have to use the same template. So it has to be the same there. And then we are sure we have the possibility to found everything then in the program later. When it comes for mobile device, let me say we bought for every technician in the bigger factories, all they have an own mobile device now. We have also iPads or something else, the tablets there, but all technical has now a mobile device. First of all, maybe they have this pop-up, you have to do something, and they can start directly to do. Then they can see all the work orders, what is there happen, and they can assign it to them. So then we save a lot of time. He can book the parts, he can open the work order, he can close the work order. It's what the technical guys want. And it needs a little bit time in Schweinfurt to tell the guys, now this is the tool, this is what you need, please test it. And we said not you have to use in the beginning. We said, please test it. And they say, oh, that's good, and that is good, and that is good. Now they see it when they work, they save a lot of time.
We are in the very beginning with eMaint in most of the factories, but we are already seeing the factories starting to ask and work with the asset meter readings, with condition monitoring. What we want to have in the future, of course, is, and I see that is the same idea that the people of eMaint have, is the possibility of taking data from those sensors that we have installed and triggering work orders automatically, thinking about how can we in the future do more prescriptive maintenance and predict also touching spare parts, which parts we have available. If we are having some trend in some machine, then the system automatically will look out for the spare part that maybe we need to do a preventive maintenance activity. That is what we see in the future. And we think that now with this software, we have the base to do it, and the possibility of integration that we have with eMaint being a web-based SaaS solution with APIs and all that give us this room to integrate with different platforms. No, we are thinking high with this software. We are thinking on integrating with GoPlant, integrating with the Cardex, integrating with SAP, with different platforms that we think that can give to the maintenance people better results, working easier, being more predictable. That is the intention with eMaint in the future.